5 plus 3, 3 plus 2. 6 plus 3, how many?
9.
9. And then?
8.
8. And then?
5.
5. Oh. 3 plus 6.
9. 8.
8. This one. Oh, very good singing. Can you sing, if you're happy and you know, you clap your hands? Axel, no! Not the first one. This one first. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 6. 6 plus 2. Don't add the hundreds, Axel, huh?
8.
8. And then 4 plus 5.
9.
9. Oh, this one. This one.
Garbage.
What garbage? No? No? No more sale. Where's this? Is a straw. Where's your shoe? Get your shoe. Show your shoe to Papi. See Papi's shoe. Shoe. What color is your shoe? Shoe. Oh, put your shoe now. Put your shoe. Put your shoe. Marco, you will put your shoe. Oh, put your shoe. Can you put your shoe? Very good. Oh, tape her. 2. Very good. Oh, put your shoe now. Your shoe. Put your shoe first. You will fall. Now get your other shoe. Get your other shoe. Very good. Marco! Shit. She almost fell. Marco! I'm boiling it.